Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6, Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new tab, type in C++, download, and you want to click the first link, latest supported version, scroll down until you find the latest supported version. First, download the x64. And after you download it, you want to open it and install it. I already have it for you. It will install it. And after you're done with that, you want to download the x86 and do the same. You want to open it and install it. And after you install it, what you want to do is go here, open the NVIDIA app, go to graphics, go to drivers, and install the latest and greatest game-ready drivers. Go to system, you want to disable the G-Sync, go to settings, and you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay. After that, all of that, you want to restart your PC. Also make sure that you're running the latest version of Windows. So you want to go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, go to Windows Update, and look here for the latest update available, and you want to download it and install it. Exit out of this and then restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Battlefield 6 Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.